Hi, I'm Irie with Beauty Box Beauty Supply and Cosmetics, and today I'm going to talk with you about two different wigs that we have in the store. One being this beautiful Brazilian kinky hair. I love it. The color is my favorite. I love the texture. I always get compliments on this unit, so this is my favorite. And I decided to kind of like stick with this color, and I'm going to try this unit here, and this is the Brazilian straight, and it has a lot of body, as you can see, and I'm going to customize it to the best of my ability. So this is definitely beginner friendly because sis, I don't really know how to do wigs. I'm not faking it till I make it, but look, I'm making it work. So if I can do it, I know that you can do it too. I believe in you. You got this. I want a side part. I'm such a fan, obviously, of side parts. So I'm gonna part the side of the wig. I'm gonna pluck around the hairline so it can look more natural and blend. And also I'm gonna pluck the part just to separate the hairs and make it look even more natural. So you'll see me do that. I'll speed up the video just to be mindful of everyone's time. Okay, so I cut some of the lace so I can apply the elastic band to it. So I'm just gonna put the elastic band here. So all I'm doing is sewing this elastic band to the wig. And just do it like that. Then you take this part right here and go around and around. To each side of the wig, I am sewing in about 4 to 6 stitches and making sure that I wrap the thread around the needle and pull to create a secured knot between each stitch. Now we're going to do the other side. So I'm going to demonstrate how I am going to sew the other side of this elastic band to the unit. All I do is make sure that it's flat, and when I pull on it to apply the wig, it can easily stretch and it's not bending on that side. So I lay the wig flat and then I place the elastic band on top, and I sew directly on top of the elastic band. I'll also cut the lace off, and I'm going to do this off camera. Don't worry, I'll be right back right after I throw this wig on and we can complete the customization process. Love it so far. It is fun. Oh my goodness. Look at this. I love this color. I could definitely get used to this. So what I'm gonna do is customize it a little bit more. Some things that I don't do because I'm all about healthy hair after I take my units off. So what I do is I braid my hair, then I put some of the Kaleidoscope Miracle Growth. I think it's called Miracle Growth. But anyways, basically some oils on my scalp to grow my hair while I'm wearing the wig, right? I also braid my hair. What I don't do is add Got to Be Glued to my edges. You know how some people would spray the cap before they put the unit on? I don't do that because I don't like all this on my edges like that. Yeah, so what I do is I add, you'll see the finished product. We're gonna do it together, but I just add a little bit of the Got to Be Glued to the hairline just to make it a little bit more realistic and blend a lot better. So you'll see me do that. You'll also see me use a hot comb to lay down the part So yeah, let's just get started because baby, you can't tell me nothing. Wait, you can't even see it. To customize this unit and make it look even more natural, I'll need some tweezers, the black tube of Got To Be glue, a rat tail comb, a hot comb, and also a blow dryer. This is fun. Oh my goodness. I got the best job in the world, guys. Anyways, yay. Oh my goodness. When I tell you I'm about to tear the club up with this one. Okay, anyways. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited. This is hair, honey. This is hair. Oh my goodness, body. Come on. Sit. What was that? I don't know. I thought I really liked the Kinky Curly, but the Brazilian straight is giving me all kinds of life. So yeah, this is literally me just putting it on after I plucked it a little bit because it's already pre-plucked. So I just have to get this right here and, you know, just blend it. I'm not that good.